Back to the Jennifer Crumbley trial now. We've been following this all day, gavel to gavel, and the first witnesses were called today. She cried as witnesses testified in court.
Jennifer Crumbley is the first parent in the country tried in a mass shooting carried out by their child. This first day has been very eventful, as you mentioned, contentious at certain points. Definitely laying the stage for what we are going to see as this continues to play out. CBS News Detroit's Andres Gutierrez now live outside of the Oakland County Courthouse with a wrap-up of what you've seen. What is your perspective?
Well, Terrence, today you heard from 4 witnesses who were trying to establish the shooter's experiences with guns, how he obtained the murder weapon, and how that fateful day played out. This day began with the prosecution saying that there is plenty of evidence that they believe shows Jennifer Crumbley was well aware of her mental health, the mental health issues that her son was having, but failed to address those. They also point out that she was negligent with the way they secured the guns around their home, and that she had the opportunity to prevent the shooting, but did not on that morning. The defense team describes, though, Jennifer Crumbley as a hyper-vigilant mother who had no way of knowing her son would carry out a mass shooting. Take a listen.
I ask that you wait to make any judgment until all of the evidence has been presented and you have seen every detail of it, including Jennifer Crumbley's testimony, and she is going to take the stand and tell you about her life with her son, about the day he became the shooter, and about the day he did something she could have never anticipated or fathomed or predicted.
Specifically, you're going to see a pattern emerge in Jennifer Crumbley after the shooting on November 30th. That pattern will include and show you that she immediately began to downplay and downright lie about her level of knowledge of her son and that weapon and that drawing on November the 30th. This pattern will continue up until the time that she and her husband are found hiding from the police in Detroit. This pattern will show you that her first instinct was to lie, her second was to run. Now, the evidence will show you that she didn't pull the trigger, but she's responsible.
Now, unlike her son, who was emotionless during his Miller hearing, this hearing, the mom was pretty emotional. She started first tearing up and then eventually sobbing uncontrollably when they were playing a video, security video of her son walking past one of the shooting victims, Tate Meyer, and one of his assistant principals on that day of the shooting. She ended up crying uncontrollably. They had to take a break right before lunch. Court has recessed for the day. It resumes back here at 8:30 tomorrow morning. Reporting live in Pontiac, Andres Gutierrez, CBS News, Detroit.
Yeah, Andres, as we've reported, there are dozens of potential witnesses, but do you know how many may actually testify over these next couple of weeks?
Yeah, so yesterday we were talking about a witness list of over 100 people. Today they've whittled it down, the prosecution saying that there will be 20 to 25 people that we will hear from over the course of the next 2 weeks. Again, today hearing from 4 of those.
All right, and we will be bringing you that coverage live. Andres, thank you.